Yeah, cryptocurrency markets have been in focus as Bitcoin continues to make impressive moves and kind of lifting the entire group of coins that we talk about here on a daily basis along with it. The space of education in the cryptocurrency market and also the mining side of things in the cryptocurrency market. Very, very interesting one. Cloud Nine Web3 Technologies has a very interesting concept that we're going to hear about here today. Sefton Fincham is president and CEO of Cloud Nine Web3 Technologies and joins us on the show. Good to see you, Sefton. Thanks for doing this today. This is a really interesting concept, and I want to jump right into things here. First of all, just give us an overview of how things got started with the company, but I really want to jump right into the actual platform that you guys have created because it's really interesting.
Sure, yeah, the company was developed several years ago during the first kind of boom in cryptocurrency, and it was developed as a software-driven crypto mining device where you could download it onto your computer, and once you downloaded it, it would just start mining cryptocurrencies on your computer. The company had a time when, obviously in 2017 everything kind of shifted, and we put development to the side a little bit, and then in the last couple of years, we started to kind of ramp things up and realized that it was something that was much more efficient and productive for the general public as opposed to just going out and buying cryptocurrencies. So that's kind of where we've focused our mandate.
I love the fact that you've included an education portion into this because I think there's a lot of people out there that are still kind of, not uneducated, but still wondering a lot about the cryptocurrency market. So this is a multifaceted approach kind of to this topic and to this space in that we're talking about trading, we're talking about education, we're talking about even, a wallet to hold some of these coins in. Let's go through each one of these and explain how they work.
So it's a very intimidating industry, and so we wanted to focus this on being something that would be an easy gateway into cryptocurrency for the general public, for the average Joe, so to speak. And where we wanted to kind of fixate was the education position first. We wanted to show people that this is where it begins. This is where this is how cryptocurrencies work. This is how all these different kind of intimidating factors of this industry work, blockchain, all this kind of stuff. So we created kind of a funnel, and in doing that, we created a vertical called Next Decentrum. And Next Decentrum has courses, it has quick and dirty guides to blockchain, cybersecurity, all these different verticals within that space. But we focused on the education side first. And what we did is we created that funnel, whereas people will come in, learn a little bit about it first, and then we gave them early access into a software that would cut the intimidation out of buying cryptocurrency. So, you download this platform onto your computer. Your computer begins utilizing the bandwidth on the computer to mine cryptocurrencies. And so that will give you kind of that early stage into cryptocurrency without having to spend money, without having to go to these crypto exchanges and, go and send money to God knows where and have this little code be used to send money into this new wallet you've got. It's a very intimidating process. So we wanted to kind of cut that and give people an opportunity to get in a very quick, efficient, and safe manner. And so that's where we kind of began. We also offered a VPN as a gateway into that to securitize the computer that the cryptocurrencies are going onto. And then we also created in recent months an X2 wallet and a platform for trading from cryptocurrency into fiat, or trading into from cryptocurrencies into other cryptocurrencies and altcoins. So that's kind of the ecosystem, so to speak, of the Limitless platform and the Next Decentrum platform. And those were two pillars that we focused on first and foremost. And then the third pillar, which we're in the midst of focusing on, is the data center side of things. But I want to just touch on the point that our mandate truly is focusing on the decentralization of crypto mining. We've got a keen eye on decentralized storage as well. But the decentralized element of building a user base is what is really key to what we are. We want to build out that user base. We want to build out the ability to add applications to more and more users, have millions and millions of users, because when the phoenix rises out of the ashes, if a winter comes for this industry, that's where we see the longevity.
And the value as well. And I want to talk a little bit about some of these testing and beta versions of the software. If somebody's getting into this for the first time, it's a great opportunity to kind of get your feet wet a little bit and experience what this is like without really being overly committed or overly educated. We'll talk about the revenue here in a second, but give everyone an overview of how the beta version testing is going and what the user base looks like today.
It's great. We're on a 5,000 user beta testing round right now. We've got, we probably could have unveiled the tech to the general public sooner, but we really wanted to harness the issues that our beta users were having, and we wanted to correct them and make sure that it's the best possible product. We have a wait list of 125,000 users right now, and it's growing every single day. Once we start onboarding, we'll be able to do 10,000 users a week, and with some acquisitions we're looking at, we're hoping to build that into millions and millions of users in the coming months and years. So it's very exciting. We've got an intermediate position in this as well, which is the microblock miner, which once you get to that place where you've downloaded the software onto your computer, we also have a device that you can buy. It's much like an Xbox or a PS5, and it looks like one, and it gets mailed to you. It's about $600, $700. You plug it in your wallet home, and it's a software-driven hardware. So you can choose what cryptocurrency you want to mine. There's about 6 that we offer right now. And you plug it into the wall. It connects to our X2 platform, same platform that the mining software on the computer links to. And you can plug that in. It mines about $80 worth of cryptocurrency per month. And that's our intermediate. That's how we're kind of giving the general public that ability to, step and gap up into these different levels of the industry.
So on a breakdown, people hear that number and their ears kind of perk up and they say, "Hey, I can maybe make $80 a month." Let's break down the revenue model here. How is the company actually, producing revenue? First off, on a split basis here, and let's really talk about a little bit how people can profit from this as well.
Yeah, so the monetization for the actual company is very simple. So when you download this software onto your computer, we give you the ability to mine cryptocurrency using that software. In doing so, we also securitize your computer with a virtual private network, and we also have the ability to offer, obviously, a position in what we're mining on that computer. We started the company not doing that. We started the company just offering a free VPN. And in doing that, we would use the unused bandwidth, and we would mine cryptocurrencies. And the company did very well in the early stages at that point. With the beta version, obviously, and going through things, we learned that we wanted to let people participate in mining these cryptocurrencies. So we offer a 50% profit share on that, and our user profit per month, it ranges between $10 to $12 per user per month on the software on the computer, and that all is dependent on the computer. So on gaming computers, it's a lot higher. On older computers, it's can be about $6 a month. But an floating average is around $10 to $12, and we split that with the user. So for the general public, for the average user, you can make $6 a month off your computer, and it's just sitting in the background of your computer. It's not doing anything that would compromise what you would do on a daily basis.
Sefton Fincham is president and CEO of Web3, Cloud Nine, Cloud Nine Web3 Technologies. Let's wrap things up with a little bit of a look forward here, Sefton, as we kind of wrap up our chat. Give us a look at what is next, how the beta will wrap up, and then what can people look forward to in the future?
Yeah, I mean, just to kind of touch on this one more time, we're very focused on the decentralized network side of things. We really want to build an army of users out there, an army of miners. Every computer is a miner. Every computer can be considered a node. We want to build out a massive base of users and apply applications to those users. In doing that, we've had a focus on decentralization, focus on storage, focus on crypto mining, and now we're looking at data centers. We're looking at a few opportunities right now to build out and to actually acquire data centers in this industry. So, that's kind of the roadmap that I can discuss today. It's very exciting. We've got some incredible things on the cusp, and I think our stakeholders are going to be very pleased with how things go over the next few months.
Great space to be involved in, and an interesting time to be involved in that space. I hope we can touch base again and get an update in the future, because it's a very interesting idea. Best of luck.
Absolutely. Thanks so much.
Guys, check it out. It's CNI, stock ticker on the CSE, and CLGUF, OTC markets, Cloud Nine Web3 Technologies. Guys.